Hello guys. Today ay busy day. Dito kami ngayon sa Main Street. Lumabas kami ng Richmond. Punta kami sa 40 Parallel. Sarap yung kape dito. Saka mga donuts. Daming mga kainan dito. Saka mga kung ano-ano. Supermarket, gano'n. Baka pagkatapos ng bumili dito, lakad-lakad kami. Yeah. Sila natin sa loob. Ganda sa loob. Parang hipster. Yung donuts ng Lucky's Donut. Dito ko first nakatikim ng Rulers. Sobrang sarap. Rulers ma-order ako tsaka kape. Ito ko lang yung donuts. Ito cinnamon ruler.
And options.
What do you want?
Sprinkles.
Oo nga, no?
Latte, Spanish latte. Or any like,
Americano lang.
ay, Americano.
Odi tayo. Oh, let's go to the booth. Yan, no? Or want to go to the booth? Okay. Okay. Ang order ito. Yung malamig pa.
Para malamig.
Pupunta lang to go. 10 bucks. Sulit.
Oo. Try na.
Sarap.
Pili ako dati.
Okay ba? Ito na yung ano, ruler. Where's it?
Scared of milk?
And then?
Actually scared of milk?
Yeah? Okay, let's go na. Okay, punta tayo sa playground. Doon na tayo sa playground? No, lakad-lakad dito. Ano bang meron?
Dali masyado. Doon may mga toy.
Wala. Punta na daw kami sa playground. Okay, we're here. It's fine. Yan, dito na tayo sa... Ano ba pangalan nito? Kalimutan ko na. Playground. Yan, lakas ng araw. Ito. Nice sunny day. Ciao, be! Can you do some tricks?
Careful.
Do some tricks. Do some tricks.
Sometimes, yep.
Oh, what about the ano, front, ano tawag doon? Yung when you do land on two legs. What?
Daddy,
Galing mo ah.
that's a round off.
Round off? Galing mo naman.
I just missed do it with like a back handspring.
Okay nga, sige
Back
nga.
handspring is like when you go back.
Okay, sige, go.
That's hard, that's hard. It's like we're like learning it but at home.
Mhm.
She's trying to do it but she needs mom like her Auntie Shasha's help to.
Nakapunta na pala kami dati dito. Meron ako isang vlog. Dito din. Gusto nila dito may basketball court din. Saya. Okay, are you ready?
Bend your legs.
One fast or super fast? Or medium fast?
No.
No fast? No fun.
No, my hands are so slippery.
Ah, ready?
My hands are so wow.
Okay, ready, set, go! Whee! So slow. Go back, go back. Go, I push you.
Okay, Daddy, can you
Okay.
push me?
Ready, set, go. Ah!
Can you help?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, ready, Emma? 3, 2, 1, go! Whee! Ay, nako. Say, hoo, hoo, ha, ha, ha.
Why is it so?
Okay, makigulo tayo dito sa mga bata.
You might break the whole time.
Oh no, so high. It's so high. So OA ka ah.
Daddy's on it.
Mhm. Okay, paano tayo bababa? Emma?
Over here.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah. Oh, I'm scared.
Okay, do it. Emma.
It's actually so high, though.
Galing ah.
Alina.
Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go! Whee! Okay, finish na. Pickleball? Meron ba? Let's go to... Let's go home muna.
Para mag-akuha ng damit ni Emma.
Si Emma mag-swimming.
Saka si Nia na rin daw.
At si Joey. At si Kayla. At si Brielle.
Actually, Nana. Oh, wait, no.
At Nana does not want her. May scratches siya.
Okay, let's go back to Richmond. Ano, ganda. Blue and green. Ang dami nagpapaitim. Cartwheel in 3, 2, 1. Good job.
Nice stuff.
Ot! Grabe naman. Kakatapos ko lang magtakbo. 3K lang. Ang init. And back to fitness na ulit. Yan, sila mga bata nag-swimming. Tingnan natin.
Yes.
Ayun na sila. Sila Emma, si Joey ayaw na. Why you don't want to swim anymore? Sabi? Ayun sila Emma, saka si Kayla. How's their swimming? How's their swimming?
Good.
Is it cold?
Good.
Good or good?
Very good.
Is it cold?
No. In the end.
In the end? Konti lang?
Yeah.